In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use leverage on Kraken Pro or leverage trade on Kraken Pro. Using leverage on Kraken Pro is all about opening a position that's larger than the balance you hold by borrowing funds from Kraken. The idea is that you can multiply your exposure to the market without having to commit the full amount up front. This can amplify profits if the trade goes your way, but it also increases the risk of losses, so it's something to approach carefully. To start, you'll need to make sure your account has margin trading enabled. Kraken only allows this for verified users in regions where it's supported, so you may want to double check your eligibility in your account settings. You'll also need collateral. This can be cash like USD or stablecoins such as USDT or even supported crypto. That collateral is what secures the borrowed funds. When you open the Kraken Pro app, select the trading pair you're interested in, such as ETH USD. On the order form, you'll notice a field that lets you set leverage. Kraken offers up to 5x leverage on most pairs, meaning you can enter a trade up to 5 times the value of your collateral. For example, with $200 in collateral and 5x leverage, you could open a $1,000 position. Then choose whether you want to buy going long, betting the price will rise, or sell going short, betting it will fall. Once your leveraged position is live, the app will show you important details like your equity, margin level, and liquidation price. The liquidation price is critical because if the market moves against you enough that your collateral no longer covers the loan, Kraken will automatically close your position to prevent further losses. If the market moves in your favor, you can close your position manually at any time, locking in your profit. Closing is straightforward. If you went long with leverage, you close by selling the same amount. If you went short, you close by buying back the borrowed asset. Kraken takes care of repaying the borrowed funds and then updates your balance with either the profit or loss from the trade. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.